magical nights at Magic Kingdom, guys. You know, you can never go wrong coming to Magic Kingdom as long as you go to Peter Pan's flight. Let's go fly off and go to Neverland. Oh yeah, as soon as I get to the back of that line.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.
Sometimes a disaster, sometimes we are free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just wanna breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't cloud my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't cloud my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Sometimes a disaster, sometimes we are free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just wanna breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me. I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't cloud my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't cloud my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night.
Then exit to your right onto the moving belt and watch your step. Please do not lift up on your safety bar. It will lift automatically.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that POV of Peter Pan. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe on YouTube, because you never know where else we're gonna go to. Maybe another day here at Magic Kingdom, maybe a day at Epcot, maybe a day at Disneyland Paris, like one of my friends is out there. He knows who he is. But either way guys, thank you for watching, and much love, and stay safe, beautiful, and amazing as always. And don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.
Jump aboard our rainbow train as the train launches forward and away. Prepare for the G-forces and loops ahead. Along the way, we will be laughing and screaming all the